I was exactly 20 meters from the so-called J1. J1 is the state house of South Sudan. I had gone with my friend from Germany to pick some supplies. We had a field trip to Unity State today. So exactly when we are in J1, there was a meeting. There was an incident which happened on Thursday. So to our information, the two officials were meeting, that is the president and the first vice president, to discuss on the issues of, to deliberate and discuss on the issues that happened on Thursday. So to my surprise, all along within the compound and outside the perimeter walls, there were two kind of military that belonged to the president and the first vice president, and within no minutes they started shooting when we are 20 meters away. So we had to drive so fast and use different roads to find ourselves in a safer place, and we did not move out since Friday. And then there was the communique that everything is fine, the situation is contained. And then there was another communication that everybody should not go out for independence celebration, everybody should celebrate in his house. So everybody remained inside and nobody went outside. So waking up on Sunday, same thing, and Sunday is worse. There's a lot of fighting on Sunday and it's terrible. And no flight. We just want to leave Juba and come home. There's no flight.